I got a little work to do in this cabinet. I just want to show you very briefly. I put this cabinet up there and it had Formica on the side. Now see, this Formica is loosening up, isn't it? It's curling right there, up there, against the wall. And look at the top. There's even a piece on the top. It's starting to curl right there. You open this up and look at this. Here's the bottom. That's curling up. The top is curling down. Look at that. It just doesn't look very good, does it? And it looks like it's already been pre-stained up in there. And I'll bet you this cabinet was pre-stained and then somebody ordered them and asked for, hey, can you put laminate on the inside? Oh, sure, yeah, we'll put laminate. And then they put laminate right over the lacquered stain on the inside, and then it came, now it's starting to loosen up. See, down here on the bottom, this used to have it, and I took this off. I'm not going to show you how to take this off on this particular video. Why? Because you already know how to do that. If you've been watching my channel, you already know how I'm going to get that off. Kaboom. I'm going to use a crummy old putty knife like this. You can get one at the store for $3, probably $3.50. And I'm going to take an old iron and I'm just going to heat up the side. You heat that up with an iron and then you just push your putty knife in there and you just put your iron here, then push in there and get that loose, and then slide your iron up, slide it up, and then just keep doing that. And son of a gun, you'll get it all off. If you don't use an iron, you think, oh yeah, I'm just going to put this in here. I'm just going to put this in here, and you start tapping on it with a hammer. Tap, tap, tap. And you get a sharp chisel. Tap, 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 tap. All of a sudden, guess what? You're not going to get it all first off. And you're going to put some nice little scratch marks all through the side there. Do you see any scratch marks in the bottom of this? No. That's because I took it off exactly how I'm showing you, how I explained to you. Okay, if you haven't watched those videos, they're on my channel. And really, just get an iron, heat that up, and away you go with the putty knife. I told you, a little bit of elbow grease, and I got it all down. So I got the edge of that cabinet there, right there. I got the inside here, down at the bottom, and the top of the cabinet, and the very tip top of the cabinet. Just like that. With the crummy old iron. Don't use your really super good iron. You might get some marks on the front. Now see, that's not all caused from this, but this was an old iron to begin with, and that's why I used it. But you don't want to get yours all marked up. Yours might not mark up at all, and if you got just one iron, clean it off, you know, when you get done with the little scouring pad or something. Okay, just be real careful. Use eyewear, use rubber gloves, and curl it up. You take it off in little sections all the way across, and it curls up. And then you've got to snap it off, and that's why you need gloves. See how it curls like that? See? You go all the way across from left to right, and then curl it up, 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 push, 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 and snap off half of it, and then go some more, and get her done. Just like that. You can do it too. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.